Hi friend, in this video I will discuss about one of the Excel sheet we use for daily Nifty trading. This Excel sheet is very simple and just one step data entry is required in this Excel sheet. I will describe it now. We found that there is 8 to 12k per lot opportunity exists in Nifty based on this Excel system 4 to 6 times in a month, and it is one of the stress-free Nifty trading strategy. What you have to do is that you have to enter the 15-minute open high low, this 3 point data over here, and the second candle high and low during the 9:30 to 9:45. So at 9:45 just putting this data, and you require just 2 minutes of your time and you will get the trade level what to trade in this sheet. Once you enter this data over here and you have to click over that, then you will move to this Excel sheet where you will find all this level, whether you have to go short or go long, what will be the entry, what will be your stop loss, and what will be your trailing stop loss. Everything you will get here. Now, here is the instructions, and as it means that you have to exit the trade at 3 every day. So we do not put any target. Once the trade executed, we hold the trade till 3 p.m. Now I will demonstrate you what was the trade today. So this is 15-minute Nifty chart, Nifty April future chart, and we just require to enter first and this second two candle data, because at 9:45, sorry, you will get these two candle of the 15-minute chart and you have to enter the data of these two candles. So let's see what was the trade today. If I put now, as you can see that it is saying no setup because there was no data here. So I will enter the open of the first candle. The first candle open was 8499.50 and high was 8505 and the low was 8376.25, and the second candle high was 8436.30 and the low was 8357.20. That's it. At 9:45 you have to enter this five set of data, which is very easy and it will take only 2 minutes of your time, and then you will have to click over that. And as you can see that there is it indicates a long trade above the 8438, and 8438, so the 8438 level was somehow here. This was 8 this is 8438 kind of level, and your trade was executed in this candle. And as the instruction says, exit the trade at 3. So your 3 candle at this will be the candle, the close will be around 8673 level. So this is the simple trade, and so let's enter the today's trade. So today's entry was up 8432 and exit would be the close of 8673. Sorry, I make mistake here, 8673. So there was almost 235 point today, and with an 75 lot size, it was around it was around 17,625. Now profit. Now I will also check what was the trade day before yesterday. So again you have to delete all those data here, delete all those data. As soon as I delete, as you can see, there is it comes no setup because there was no data. So yesterday Yesterday first candle open was 8440, high was 8498, high was 8498.85, and the low was 8401, 8401.15, and the second candle high was 8573.60, and the low was 8420, 8420.05. So let's see what was the trade yesterday. Yesterday there was a short trade, and the short was entry level was 8418. So 8418 is somehow this level. In this candle your trade was executed, and you have to exit at the close, and the close was 8280. So yesterday your entry was 8418.30 and 8280 was your exit. There was an 138 point of gain yesterday. That was around 10,372.5. Now I will also show you the trade on 27. So 2 days back. Again, what you have to do is you have to delete all those data, and you have to enter the open was 8938.65. The high was first candle high 8985.00, and the low was 8886, 8886.40. The high of the second candle 9036.85, and the low was 8953.95. What was the trade? The trade was again a short, and entry was 8952.10, and stop loss was 9037.70. So 8952.10, 8952.10 somehow in this zone, and the trade was executed here. But in this candle the stop loss was was taken out. The high of this candle is 9041, so your stop loss of 9037 was got triggered. So if we see the last 3 days, then first day on 27 March I am taking the data of the April month series. And so far in April month series we had three trade. In one trade we lost 85 point, and the second day we gained 138 point, and today there was a good profit of 235 point. So together all of these 287 point was accumulated, which was around 21,577.5 INR. And that's a good strategy, because number one, you just need 2 minutes of your time at 9:45. You know what to do based on this Excel, and you have to hold the trade till 3 p.m. and you can expect now you can expect at least 4 to 6 trade every month based on this strategy minimum. And even the risk reward ratio, as you can see, is good one, because it is almost 1:2, because if I take the average of these two trade, although it is small sample data. So as you can see, there is a almost risk reward ratio, risk reward equal to almost 2 times. Yes, it is almost 2 times. So this is very good strategy in the sense that you have to do not monitor the trade. And I also in give you the inter data since 23rd October. All this data is here, all the trade. So one can download this Excel sheet, and they can check test their own. And I always recommend that you should backtest rather than what I am saying here. You can do your check by yourself. See, simple things work in market, and my goal is to give you simple strategy that's work, and there that's required not much of analysis. Thank you so much for your time, and I will update you once in I will get any other trades based on this strategy next time. Thank you so much.